YouTube, what's good? It's Power Over Vanity, aka POV, coming at y'all with a new video. Damn, it's been too long since y'all have heard that. Whew! A lot of stuff going on in the life of POV, but long story short, I'm back. I did an EMOM set, 3 handstand push-ups, 3 pistol squats. Every minute on the minute for 10 minutes. Not gonna lie, I broke several times. But this will happen to you during your EMOM sets, but work that endurance. When you combine 2 movements together, that heart rate is pumping. Whenever one of the exercises take longer than 30 seconds, it feels like a rush. You gotta get it done to get to the next, and then wait for the next minute to start going again. But let's just go into this video, chatting. Woo! As y'all can see, we getting into our 3 handstand push-ups, straight into pistol squats. Brutal combo, combining vertical push with a leg workout. And this is a single leg workout. So the legs being the largest muscle group will cause you to burn more calories and activate your heart more. Your heart rate will go up quicker. And this, anything with legs makes me sweat. But we're gonna speed up between these rests, and then we're gonna get it going. But I did not hit 3 handstand push-ups each time. That's for me to improve on. So I want you guys to take away from that. If you do not hit all of your reps of an exercise and you decide to stop, you do not have to complete the full number that you planned, because you will lose time within the set. You won't be able to do it in 10 minutes or within the minutes that you are doing. So I advise, even if you get, like in my example, if I got 2 handstand push-ups, just go to your hip pistol squats and continue the workout. All right, y'all. That's what I wanted to say. I'm glad to be back on here. I'm gonna play some of my man's music, Plaza Fury, and we'll talk a little bit more later.
Yo, and let me know if y'all like the format of the videos, if you guys like the music added, you guys like the way it's edited. Just let me know, give me any feedback in the comments as always. Let's get it going. At this point, y'all made it to the end of the video. Comment down below, handstand bully, like, share, subscribe, click that ring notification to get all the new videos I'm gonna put out. I'm gonna go back on my Tuesday and Thursday schedule. This one will be the only one that's off on the Saturday, but I'm gonna just add in a little bit of extra ting here at the end with the thumbnail editing. I use Canva, and I don't know, I thought it would be a cool process to show. As you guys know, it's power over vanity at all times. Let's go.